you need a ponytail wig. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. So in today's video I'll show you guys how I install the ponytail wig. It's quite simple and it's a basic hairstyle that can take you from 0 to 100 in split seconds. So guys, do like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell guys, like the video. Please guys, let's get up to 500 subscribers before the month runs out, and you know the drill guys. I'll see you in my next one. Let's get into the video. So guys, the products that we're going to be using for this tutorial, any hair gel of your choice, but I'll be using the eco styling gel. I'll be using this wooden brush, I'll be using the steel comb, and the star of the show, it's the ponytail wig. I recently revamped it, so go check that out. I'll leave the link up there, so go check it out, how I revamped this hair to look luscious again. So guys, this is the star of the show, the afro ponytail wig. It has 2 combs and it's also a drawstring wig. So guys, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm going for like a center part. So my hair is freshly washed and I straighten the hair. So guys, this is me creating my center part. Slick down the hair. This is how the back is. My hair is not very long, so pardon me. So guys, I'm loving it. Look how my face has just changed like in split seconds. So we're gonna be attaching the drawstring ponytail now. So it has 2 combs, so you pin this one here. So Guys, you pin the first pin here in the front and the second pin at the back. Then this is the drawstring. You draw it tightly. Then you use the elastic stopper to secure it tightly. Then you tie the rope around the hair. Then you use some parts of the hair to like cover that elastic stop the elastic band. So just roll it over the hair to cover it up. Just roll it over. Roll it over. So I'm just using my hand to like puff up the hair. Look at how bouncy it is. Please guys, go check how I revamped this hair. Guys, look at my look. Like, I'm loving my look, guys. I'm loving my look. Just want to make it fun. So guys, this is how the back looks like. And this is how the front looks like. So guys, I've come to the end of the video. This is like a quick sign. If you have an old hair, you can actually convert it into a ponytail wig. I have a video up here showing you guys how I also created my afro ponytail wig. So guys, this hairstyle is giving. Is it giving? This hairstyle is giving. Look at how my face just changed like in split seconds. So you can actually do this on your own if you're having like a lazy hair day. So guys, do you want to like the video? Comment down below if you're going to be trying this. Like, subscribe, share with your family and friends if you find my video and my content helpful and you know the drill, guys. I will see you in my next one. Stay blessed. God bless you. Bye.